Welcome. In this video, I will be reviewing a few stocks that were asked by our members in our InfoAir live session. If you would like to join our group where we have the live session conducted, a lot of discussions on stocks as well as post new buying opportunities as and when it arises, you can join the group using the first link in the description. Dixon, an OEM supplier for many top brands of washing machines, refrigerators, mobile phones and laptops, has had very high business growth for a good long time. It qualified on top ranks during the end of 2019. Since then, its ranks have been off and on. During pandemic times, it had some drops only to recoup with the same strength in subsequent quarters. Currently, Dixon is a top ranking stock with its earnings rank above 80. It has been a multi-bagger stock and continues to be for some more period if its ranking stays above 80. Due to the consolidation the Dixon stock went through in the last 6 months, its price rank had a small drop. Now, it has again got back its strength. Coming to the charts, Dixon had a powerful breakout in mid-September and has reached for a new high. This new high is supported by big volume. When stocks go up with volume strength, they tend to continue their uptrend. For Dixon, it has also made a new high with volume. If you are holding a position in Dixon, you can sit tight and enjoy the gains. If you have got attracted to the stock because of its recent price move and want to buy now, it is not a good choice. At extreme peaks, the risk on the positions will be huge. In case such stocks must turn down or get into another consolidation, we will end up a loser if we buy at peaks. Despite the challenges, if someone wants to buy Dixon now, take a small exposure and wait for the price to move 5% above your buy price and then add your balance quantity. This strategy will help protect our capital in case the stock had to turn down. The next stock is Oil India Limited. One of the upstream oil drilling and exploration company of India has been going through a strong bull phase. The oil sector across the globe has got the new energy due to the power challenges in China. Oil India, though, has been doing very good in the market. It was not a rank qualifier, and so was its stock price till March 2021. Both its earnings and price ranks were below the required 80 mark, which does not attract the attention of the markets. The uptrend in the stock price has helped its price rank to be pulled up, which is now close to the 80 mark. When stocks have their ranking above 80, they are a good buy. The price rally for oil is due to the expectations that the unforeseen demand will push the oil prices up, which is what is happening at the present market. Crude oil is getting hotter and hotter by the passing day. On the charts, oil stock price had a neat breakout in May 21, which after a good run went into a small consolidation to get revived and run up again from August. Now the stock has one of the strongest chart patterns in the market today. This uptrend has caught the attention of all investors, which has pushed the volumes for the stock to 3 times its average. For those holding a position in oil, don't think of an exit soon. This stock has a lot more space to cover. If wanting to buy, I'm afraid it's too late. Waiting for some correction and then getting will be a good choice. Oil is good for a buy only when its price comes below Rs 190, which for the stock from its current price is a very big ask, as it can take a longer time to drop. Whereas it will be worth the wait as the stock has very less probability of having a winning exit if we buy here. The next stock is Mindtree. Mindtree, a mid-cap IT stock which had been a top rank qualifier. Now, its earnings rank has dropped down, which is normal for any company, as maintaining the top slot is pretty challenging. While Mindtree's earnings rank has dropped, its price rank is still holding strong. This is because of the uptrend in the stock price, which is again coming with a lot of expectations that the IT sector is going to deliver great results. If the coming quarterly results are going to change the earnings rank, then this stock has potential to go up further. On the charts, Mindtree went through a steep climb in the whole of 2021. When a stock has such a steep upside, the next direction of dropping down also can be steep. Here in the current Mindtree chart pattern, it has given up all the gains with the stock made in its previous week. And one more thing I notice is that many of the IT stocks, let's Infosys, Techem, TCS, any IT stock in the market right now has the same pattern, which usually implies that when a pattern like this occurs, it's called a railroad track. When a such pattern occurs, it says that the stock can get into a consolidation. Mindtree is expected to be in the 3800 to 4600 range for a few weeks. When price reaches close to the range low of 3800, it will be a good opportunity to buy this stock. For those holding a position, stops would be far away as the rally was steep, so need not worry about exit. Mindtree has a lot of positive experiences to be given to your mind before it exits. Enjoy those wonderful experiences of profit making. The next stock is Amurtajan. Amurtajan, a 100+ year old Indian pain balm company, a household name for pain relief to each and every one of us. On ranking, Amurtajan was not a great one. It had its earnings rank qualification in mid 2020, after which it has taken a long rest. Price rank 2 has been lying low for a good long time because of the consolidation the stock has been going through for a very long time. On the charts, Amurtajan had a small uptrend between March to May 2021, and soon after that it went into a slumber. There was a breakout in the last week which brings a good development of weakness in the chart pattern for this stock. Current pattern indicates to have a maximum profit booking when price goes below Rs 820. Amurtajan is a stock which at the current price pattern will need only a very small exposure, as it is not so promising to go up. It will not be a good choice to buy Amurtajan at its current price. The next stock is GAIL, one of India's leading natural gas companies. It had not been a great stock on its business profits and stock price appreciation in the markets. GAIL had its earnings rank qualification very recently in July 2021, post which the stock price has been going through a small uptrend. As the broad market is in correction mode and GAIL has been holding its stock price, it has helped the company retain its price rank, which is also inching up slowly. On the charts, GAIL had a long consolidation since June. This week the stock has given a good breakout, which also comes with volume support, and it is trending too. GAIL is a good buy above 166.20 in the coming week. If the stock continues to attract same volume support, GAIL has the potential to reach newer highs. The global power and energy challenge is going to support the stock on its upside. Let's enjoy the uphill ride of GAIL in the coming weeks. Thank you for watching. That's it for this week. I will see you next week. Happy investing.